Hey, it's Mark here again, and in this video we're going to look at setting up the Contact Us page. So we're actually going back to plugins, and we're going to type in Contact Form 7, I think it is, and press enter. Let's see if I can find it. In fact, I've got to click Add New to Plugins, because it's, and then we're going to find it in here. Contact Forms, whoops. What's it doing that? Form 7, I think it is. Here we go, and then we can just click install. All right, now I click activate. So Contact Form 7, activate, and now I can click settings. There we go. So now this is the short code I'm going to have to add into any contact form to place a contact form box. I'll copy this to my clipboard. I just copied it, but I need to go in there and edit the contact form itself for a moment. So at the moment it's asking for your name, your email, subject, and your message, and then they can click send. In fact, that's nice and easy. I'll just leave it at that. So I'll now go back to pages, and we'll look at our contact page. Contact Us page. And if you would like to contact us with any questions, please fill in the form below and we will respond as soon as possible. And then we want to enter our contact form there, click update. I'll just preview this. I may have to put that in HTML, I'm not sure, I'll just double check. Now I click preview on the page. Actually no, that was all. So that's it. Now I've got my contact form is working. Now where is this being sent to though? It is, I think it's being sent to the email address that you use when you set up your account here. So I might just go back to Great Life Happiness and have a quick look at that Contact Form 7. So if I go back to plugins and click installed plugins, and I click on settings, and I just want to see if I click edit, if it tells me where the email goes to. It doesn't tell me where it goes to. So I believe that it must automatically go to the email address that I used then when I set up this this website, the WordPress in general. Either so yeah, it does. It sends to this. So you can change that here. So if you've got another email address you want to send it to, maybe a Gmail account or something like that, then you could enter it in right here, and the emails will go to whatever address that you want them to go to. If you want to change who the from email address is and or the subject or whatever, you can totally edit those there. At the moment it'll say Great Life Happiness, then whatever the subject is that the person entered in, and that's what it would send. So I hope that that all makes sense. But at the moment that's it. We've already done our contact form. It's all ready to go, and there's no need to make any changes from there. So that's it for this particular video. We've got our Contact Us page ready and done, and I'll just show you again the preview so you can see that it's all working, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.